Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has actually been a while since I last posted. So today I decided to visit Miss Wheat at Ruaka. Yes. And here is Shiko Paul. Yes. Yeah, so you guys are supposed to go visit their channels. We have more of more
nice
vlogs.
content.
Yeah. So
Subscribe and
thank
you're not
you.
going to disappoint them.
Yeah,
because
and they
we
should
have
watch
Yeah,
the
it's
content
actually the
videos.
first time I'm showing my face on camera.
Imagine she can't just like show her face alafu iende hivyo. Please guys,
Okay.
if you're here and you
I'll
come
try
from my
my
channel,
thing.
just leave a comment. Leave a comment down there. Mwambie you've come here because of Miss Sweet
support,
Amashiko
yeah.
Paul and you're supporting. Please guys, let's just do this. And also give a thumbs up to this video.
So guys, come along, let's go see the house. So guys, on this section of the house, here is the entryway to the bedrooms side. I've not actually shown you the living room, but I'll show you that at the end. Then this is the guest room, or maybe if you have kids you can use it as your kids room. So that's the wardrobe section. It has the shelf side. We also have this section that it's divided way long. Maybe you can use it to sew your dresses. Maybe you can put in your shoes at the bottom section, and then this section you can use it to store in your shirts, your trousers, name it all. And then we have the drawers at the bottom. You can put in your socks, your undies, your vest, maybe, I don't know, whatever you'll use for that room. And then next we move into the bathroom. This is the common washroom. So the very first point of the bathroom is the sink area. We have the mirror already installed and the light. And then you can brush your teeth there. And then we have the toilet section. At the far end, we have the bathroom. This is where maybe your guest or your kids should shower. And then we have the master bedroom now. I know some of you may be saying, oh, this room is not big. I don't know whether my camera is doing you justice, but then the wardrobes are divided into two sections. This is the first one. So the second one is behind the door. I didn't get to capture that, but I'll show you maybe, or maybe you can visit Miss Wheat's channel or Shiko Paul's channel to see the section. I didn't get to capture that. So that's the washroom or the master bedroom washroom. So that's the shower area and then the toilet all in one. So going outside back to the living room, we have the floor. As you can see, it's a sort of wooden. I didn't get to like identify what they really used on the floors, but then it was in tile, so you can't get to complain about your kids maybe catching a cold or something. So that's Shiko Paul and Miss Wheat. They are trying to explain herself, but then you guys can see this living room is way big. It can so like a 7-seater or a 5-seater and still get to add your car dining somewhere around here, depending on how you'll arrange your house. So this is the kitchen. Well, you can see it doesn't have so good lighting. So this house actually ranges at 48,500. I think it's like 45,000, and then the 3,500 is for maintenance, garbage or something. So this is the storages you have in the kitchen. For those who love chapatis, you can use this worktop to do your rolls. And then on this side, we have a section divided with the drawers. You can put your knives, your spoons, or your sufuria lids at the bottom, depending on how you arrange that as well. Yeah, so this is the sink area. you can actually see it has running water on a daily, that is. But then I didn't like the sink because it was way too low. You cannot like put in your jug and fetch water. So going outside here, we have something like a car basin. Maybe you can use to be soaking your dirty shoes or maybe wash them. And then we have a socket there you can use to plug in your washing machine if you have. And then that's a full view of the kitchen, and we also have a full view of the living room that I didn't get to show you guys. The window is big as well, as you can see. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. If you did like this video, please stay tuned for more.